guys, it's Smita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 amazing hacks that will take your winged liner game to the next level. If you've always struggled with a wing, make that easy one-cut stencil with some sticky tape. All you have to do is fold a sticky tape into half on the non-sticky side and cut it diagonally with a scissor. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want, and there is your stencil. Stick it to your outer corner and fill in the wing. To join this to the inner corner, just trace a line along the lash line and you're done. And if your wing is not looking straight enough, just use some concealer with a flat shader brush to clean it up. The second trick is to use disposable cards. If you have business cards or used cards that you plan to throw away, don't. Use them for your liners. Just apply some liquid liner to the very edge and stamp it to your outer corner. Finish up by joining this to your lash line and filling it in. And use your lash line to trace the rest of your liner like you would use a ruler to trace a line. If you're using plastic cards, you can recycle them by washing off the excess and storing it with your brushes for a repeated use. Probably the easiest trick is to use a wing stamp. This one from Miss Rose already has the ink in it, but if yours doesn't, just apply some liquid liner to your stamp and stamp it to your outer corner. And as usual, just join it to the rest of your lash line. Everyone has bobby pins at home, so let's use a few to draw out that wing. Coat the mouth of your bobby pin with some liquid liner and keeping the angled part facing upwards, just stamp it to your outer corner. Fill in this wing and join it to the rest of your lash line. And if you plan to wing it yourself, all you need is some gel or liquid liner and just extend the line of your lower lash line going upwards. Leave 1/8 of an inch to get that sharp tip on top and then join this wing to the lash line. Fill this up and finish the rest of the liner, and in case you had a boo-boo, you can always fix it with some concealer. And those, my friends, were my top 5 tricks for perfect wings. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on social media. I've listed all the links in the description box below. As always, I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye, guys.